Cute. Thank you.
Aja.
Say hi.
Welcome to
one-time pet show. To all interested to participate, just approach
and video contest through Slack and social media. So it's very easy to participate. You just have to take a photo or a video of
for our prizes. We have on or before May 7th.
Some beauty stations around, so make sure fun and let's have an amazing event.
Thank you.
Strawberry, ube, watermelon.
John, ano? Yan.
Face painting stations, and of course, the main star of the event, our human claw machine.
For our claw machine, for those early bird on May 15, 2024, Wednesday, and our winner per site will be announced on or before May 17, 2024.
And last,
Thank you.